Hi, I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed.
The next menu we're going to look at in our series of MindView is the format menu. Now, sometimes if you look at the top, the format menu isn't there. That's because you have to have at least one branch selected to be able to format it, because it's for formatting branches. Now, the format menu is really easy to use, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it for more than one branch at a time. So I'm going to draw an invisible box along all of these options, which is now going to select all of those. So I'm going to go to format, and now I'm going to be changing all of the sub branches on this format branch of my map. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font to something very obviously different, and I'm going to make the size a little bigger and maybe make it bold. I can put a text highlight in. I can change the font color. Let's make the font color the purpley color. There we go. Really can't manage that font. I'm just going to go for Times. That's very different to the Arial it was. I can choose a color scheme. This is for my selected branches. So for these branches, I'm going to go for a different color scheme. They were empty, so I could make them filled. I really want a pink and there isn't one, but that's okay, because I can do that a different way. So I'm going to leave on my colour scheme. What I will do is change the shape of these branches so they are an oval. That's actually where they should have been. I don't know why they went so big to start with, but I've popped that shape in. I'm going to change the fill colour for these. I'm going to go to more colours, and I'm going to choose the pale pink to go with my purple, and I'm going to change the outline of these. I'm going to not bother changing the colour, but I'm going to change the width to make it really big. And if I want to add a boundary, that is about making a set of branches stand out. So if I go to the insert menu and I go to the links one and set a boundary, so it's put the outline around there to make them stand out, but I can also go one step further and I can change the fill colour. Nice palish pink again. A bit girly, this map. And I can change the colour of the outline to my purple, and I can change both the width or the style. So if I make it a solid style because it was dashed, and then I can change the width as well. The final button on here is the show hide button again, which we've already seen on the view menu. So that is your format menu on MindView 8.
I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos on assistive technology, and if you want to find me on social media, search for Wiki-ed Essex.